Do you love video games? Did you play Super Mario Bros. Back in the day? Or do you just enjoy a hands-on, creative activity in your spare time? If so, this nostalgic LEGO Nintendo Entertainment System trademark 71374 model kit is perfect for you. Authentic and interactive. The brick-built NES is packed with realistic details, including an opening slot for the game pack with a locking function and a controller with a connecting cable and plug. The console comes with a buildable retro TV, featuring a flat 8-bit Mario figure on the scrolling screen, plus an action brick to scan with LEGO Mario, figure not included. Find in the LEGO Super Mario Starter Course Set, 71360, so he reacts to the on-screen enemies, obstacles, and power UPS just like in the Super Mario Bros. Game. Creative fun. This unique set is part of an inspiring collection of LEGO building sets for adults that make fabulous gifts for yourself and hobbyist friends who enjoy DIY challenges and proudly displaying their creations. Trigger nostalgic memories as you build this wonderfully detailed LEGO brick Nintendo Entertainment System, 71374, an interactive, 1980s style television displaying the classic Super Mario Bros. Game. The TV has a handle-operated scrolling screen, and if you scan the action brick by placing LEGO Mario, figure not included, in the slot on top, he will react to the on-screen enemies, obstacles, and power UPS. Authentic details of the NES console are recreated in LEGO style, including a controller and an opening slot for the buildable game pack with a realistic locking function to delight Super Mario Bros. Fans. Whether you were a NES gamer back in the day, a fan of retro stuff, or are just looking for an immersive, fun, creative DIY project to leave you feeling revitalized, this 2646-piece model building kit is ideal for you. The buildable TV measures over 22.5 centimeters high, 23.5 centimeters wide, and 16 centimeters deep, and alongside the NES model makes a cool display item for your home or office. It also makes the best LEGO gift for gamer friends. No batteries required. Combine this playset with the LEGO registered Mario figure in the LEGO Super Mario Adventures with Mario Starter Course, 71360, to activate the TV's interactive features. Easy to follow instructions help you to build with confidence, even if you are a LEGO registered newcomer. Also included is an illustrated booklet about the creation of the Nintendo Entertainment System trademark and classic NES games. This highly collectible building set for adults is part of a range of inspirational LEGO registered model kits designed for you, the discerning hobbyist, as you look for your next immersive DIY project. LEGO building bricks meet the highest industry standards, which ensures they are consistent, compatible, and connect and pull apart easily every time. It's been that way since 1958. LEGO bricks and pieces are dropped, crushed, twisted, heated and rigorously analyzed to ensure that this unique LEGO building set satisfies the highest safety and quality standards. Hello everyone, welcome to your channel. If you want to see more videos from Most Gifted, then please subscribe and ring the bell, so you do not miss any new video in the future.